Alright, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is November 30th when I'm recording this. We still have half a day left of the Simpler Trading Black Friday sale. If you guys want to come on over, check out simplertrading.com/flash sale. Alright, so we might be getting a pullback. Start to kind of look at this. We are starting to see some names roll over. Amazingly, something like the IWM is still just hanging tight and holding tough. But we are looking at this, generally speaking, based on some of the MOXY patterns that I talk about. We should be seeing some resistance up here. I don't know if it's always going to come all the way back down to the daily 50. It might, but I think its first stop is going to be something around the 21 EMA on the daily chart. So far this should be perfectly normal and expected. The market has been amazingly strong and holding up pretty well. It would be reasonable to see some sort of correction pullback, something like that. A little bit of a pullback, low flag, something just to bring this in a little bit more because it has just been hanging up here. Now, very, very overbought, very extended, and we should see eventually the SPY break the hourly 50. The 15-minute MOXY indicator has been below zero for a very long time. So, yeah, it's been telling us that kind of energy is not there for the market. Now, underneath the surface, we actually had a really good day for a lot of individual names out there. I don't know if it was kind of like the last pop before things roll over, but there's still strength out there. There are still names doing well, and that's why I'm just kind of looking for the market to pull back and to kind of give a refresh. There could be names that still go up. I'm not looking to short anything, but I am wondering if we're going to come down like that at some point. It doesn't need to come all in one. It could kind of come down a little bit and actually fly sideways and wait for those moving averages to come up with it. That's a possibility. And as an example of that, you can see we have Amazon. And so these are the kind of things that this morning I was posting away to people in the MOXY room. So if you guys find this kind of stuff kind of interesting, like come on over, come check out the room, see if you like what I do in there. I give really good guidance. You can see here that the MOXY indicator has been going red every single day, which indicates that energy and momentum is rapidly coming out of here. Now, again, I don't think that this is going to be any kind of wild and crazy pullback or, that we're going to implode in a huge way. I don't see that yet, but I do see that, things like this have really kind of slowed down and they need to start coming down and finding some support before maybe they can go back higher. We're starting to see that with price breaking the hourly 50 and the MOXY indicator firing, and you can see here price getting guided down by the 15-minute 50. And then we could also see Adobe just starting to do the same thing. Look at that, almost identical to Amazon. And then I think Microsoft, not quite doing it, but on the verge. Just right there on the verge of doing it. Again, MOXY price trigger, you can see that has been dwindling the whole time. Really, really great stuff, but we just need a refresher. It is difficult for the market and for individual names to just hang up there forever. And this should be just kind of the normal ebb and flow of the market. So be prepared for it, and then let's see if this will eventually turn into a buy the dip situation. All right, guys, thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.